brainYs presents. Math. Part 5, Ratios, Proportions, and Percents. Hey there, Math Explorers! Are you ready to test your brain and challenge yourself today? Sharpen your pencils and get ready, the quiz starts now. Question number 1. What is 50% written as a fraction in simplest form? Again, what is 50% written as a fraction in simplest form? The choices are A. 1/2, B. 1/4, C. 5/10, D. 50/100. The correct answer is A. 1/2. Percent means per 100, so 50% is 50/100. Simplifying this fraction by dividing the top and bottom by 50 gives 1/2. Question number 2. How do you write 25% as a decimal? Again, how do you write 25% as a decimal? The choices are A. 2.5, B. 0.25, C. 0.025, D. 25.0. The correct answer is B. 0.25. To convert a percent to a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. 25% becomes 0.25. Question number 3. What is 100% of 45? Again, what is 100% of 45? The choices are A. 4.5, B. 45, C. 100, D. 450. The correct answer is B. 45. 100% of any number is the number itself. 1.00 times 45 equals 45. Question number 4. In a class of 30 students, 50% are boys. How many are boys? Again, in a class of 30 students, 50% are boys. How many are boys? The choices are A. 10, B. 15, C. 20, D. 25. The correct answer is B. 15. Find 50% of 30. 50% is the same as 1/2. Half of 30 is 15, so there are 15 boys. Question number 5. What is 1% of 500? Again, what is 1% of 500? The choices are A. 1, B. 5, C. 50, D. 500. The correct answer is B. 5. Convert 1% to a decimal, 0.01. Multiply 0.01 times 500 equals 5. Question number 6. A bag has 10 marbles. 3 of them are red. What percent of the marbles are red? Again. A bag has 10 marbles. 3 of them are red. What percent of the marbles are red? The choices are A. 3%, B. 10%, C. 30%, D. 33%. The correct answer is C. 30%. The fraction of red marbles is 3 over 10. To convert a fraction to a percent, divide the numerator by the denominator. 3 divided by 10 equals 0.3. Then convert the decimal to a percent. 0.3 equals 30%. Question number 7. What is 200% of 15? Again. What is 200% of 15? The choices are A. 15, B. 30, C. 150, D. 300. The correct answer is B. 30. 200% as a decimal is 2.0. Multiply 2.0 times 15 equals 30. Question number 8. What is another name for rate, base, and percentage in the formula P equals R times B? Again. What is another name for rate, base, and percentage in the formula P equals R times B? The choices are A. Part, whole, percent, B. Percent, part, whole, C. Part, percent, whole, D. Percent, whole, part. The correct answer is Question number 9. 12 is what percent of 48? Again. 12 is what percent of 48? The choices are A. 12%, B. 20%, C. 25%, D. 40%. The correct answer is C. 25%. This is asking 12 is what percent of 48? The formula is percentage divided by base equals rate. 12 divided by 48 equals 0.25. Convert to a percent. 0.25 equals 25%. Question number 10. A t-shirt originally costs 300 pesos. It is on sale for 20% off. How much is the discount? Again, a t-shirt originally costs 300 pesos. It is on sale for 20% off. How much is the discount? The choices are A. 20 pesos, B. 30 pesos, C. 60 pesos, D. 140 pesos. The correct answer is C. 60 pesos. Find 20% of 300 pesos. Convert 20% to a decimal, 0.20. Multiply 0.20 times 300 equals 60 pesos. The discount is 60 pesos. You're doing amazing so far. You're halfway there, so keep going and give it your best shot. The last few questions are waiting for you. Question number 11. 30 is 60% of what number? Again, 30 is 60% of what number? The choices are A. 18, B. 40, C. 50, D. 60. The correct answer is C. 50. Here, 30 is the percentage and 60% is the rate. The formula is base equals percentage divided by rate. Convert 60% to 0.60. 30 divided by 0.60 equals 50. Question number 12. A restaurant bill is 800 pesos. You want to leave a 15% tip. How much is the tip? Again, a restaurant bill is 800 pesos. You want to leave a 15% tip. How much is the tip? The choices are A. 80 pesos, B. 100 pesos, C. 120 pesos, D. 150 pesos. The correct answer is C. 120 pesos. Find 15% of 800 pesos. Convert 15% to a decimal, 0.15. Multiply 0.15 times 800 equals 120 pesos. Question number 13. The price of a book increased from 100 pesos to 125 pesos. What is the percent increase? Again, the price of a book increased from 100 pesos to 125 pesos. What is the percent increase? The choices are A. 15%, B. 20%, C. 25%, D. 30%. The correct answer is C. 25%. First, find the amount of increase. 125 minus 100 equals 25 pesos. Then, divide the increase by the original price. 25 divided by 100 equals 0.25. This is a 25% increase. Question number 14. Out of 200 students, 12 were absent. What percent of the students were present? Again, out of 200 students, 12 were absent. What percent of the students were present? The choices are A. 6%, B. 88%, C. 94%, D. 98%. The correct answer is C. 94%. If 12 were absent, then 200 minus 12 equals 188 were present. To find the percent present, divide the number present by the total. 188 divided by 200 equals 0.94, which is 94%. Question number 15. Ana saved 400 pesos. This is 25% of the money she earned. How much did she earn? Again, Ana saved 400 pesos. This is 25% of the money she earned. How much did she earn? The choices are A. 1,000 pesos, B. 1,200 pesos, C. 1,500 pesos, D. 1,600 pesos. The correct answer is D. 1,600 pesos. 400 pesos is the percentage or the part, 25% is the rate. To find the base or the whole, use base equals part divided by rate. 400 divided by 0.25 equals 1,600. She earned 1,600 pesos. Question number 16. A survey of 50 people showed that 35 prefer basketball. What percent prefer basketball? Again, a survey of 50 people showed that 35 prefer basketball. What percent prefer basketball? The choices are A. 35%, B. 50%, C. 60%, D. 70%. The correct answer is D. 70%. Divide the part by the whole. 35 divided by 50 equals 0.7. Convert to a percent. 0.7 equals 70%. Question number 17. The population of a barangay was 5,000. It increased by 8% in 1 year. What is the new population? Again, the population of a barangay was 5,000. It increased by 8% in 1 year. What is the new population? The choices are A. 5,008, B. 5,080, C. 5,400, D. 5,800. The correct answer is C. 5,400. First, find the number of new people, the increase. 8% of 5,000 equals 0.08 times 5,000 equals 400. Then add this to the original population. 5,000 plus 400 equals 5,400. Question number 18. An item costs 500 pesos plus a 12% sales tax. What is the total cost? Again, an item costs 500 pesos plus a 12% sales tax. What is the total cost? The choices are A. 512 pesos, B. 550 pesos, C. 560 pesos, D. 620 pesos. The correct answer is C. 560 pesos. First, calculate the tax amount. 12% of 500 equals 0.12 times 500 equals 60 pesos. Then, add the tax to the original price. 500 plus 60 equals 560 pesos. Question number 19. A phone's price was reduced by 20%. During a special sale, the new price was reduced by another 10%. What was the total percentage reduction from the original price? Again, a phone's price was reduced by 20%. During a special sale, the new price was reduced by another 10%. What was the total percentage reduction from the original price? The choices are A. 28%, B. 30%, C. 32%, D. 70%. The correct answer is A. 28%. Let the original price be 100. After a 20% reduction, the price is 80. Now, reduce 80 by 10%. 10% of 80 is 8. The new price is 80 minus 8 equals 72. The total reduction is 100 minus 72 equals 28. So, the total discount is 28%. Question number 20. The value of a car decreases by 15% in its first year. If the car was bought for 800,000 pesos, what is its value after 1 year? Again, the value of a car decreases by 15% in its first year. If the car was bought for 800,000 pesos, what is its value after 1 year? The choices are A. 120,000 pesos, B. 680,000 pesos, C. 785,000 pesos, D. 920,000 pesos. The correct answer is B. 680,000 pesos. First, find the amount of depreciation. 15% of 800,000 equals 0.15 times 800,000 equals 120,000 pesos. Then, subtract this from the original value. 800,000 minus 120,000 equals 680,000 pesos. Fantastic job, math heroes! How many answers did you get right? Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun math quizzes. Check out other videos from brainYs.